Farmers rejoice after being understandably annoyed that John Deere was the only one who could fix John Deere tractors. The American Farm Bureau Federation has signed a right-to-repair agreement with the company. The memorandum requires John Deere to give farmers and repair companies access to software and hardware that the company uses to fix tractors, combines, and other harvesting equipment, or other off-road vehicles that are used in the agriculture industry. The right to repair is a broad push to allow consumers the right to repair their own electronics. Get it? This would stand in opposition to having to bring it to a licensed repair facility or even the company itself. The tricky thing here is that this memorandum is not a law and it's not a contract, so it's sort of just a good faith commitment between the two parties. That's to say, the agreement is only as good as John Deere's commitment to it. Kevin O'Reilly is the Right to Repair campaign director for the public interest research groups, and he said as much. Quote, "This could be a significant step forward. If Deere truly provides farmers and independent mechanics with the same repair materials that its dealers have, then we would shout our praise from the rooftops. But the memorandum contains limited enforcement mechanisms, and the best aspects of this agreement could get lost in the legalese." The right to repair is a hugely important part of a free economy, and this memorandum is a good first step. But maybe it's not the completely transformative, sweeping stride we might hope for. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out other Gizmodo videos here on YouTube.